Hey everybody, happy December, happy holidays. This is John from Six City Marketing. It's the season of giving, right? Well, I've been doing something along these lines on the internet via Moz.com recently to give back. And I found that it's a great resource, not only to answer questions if you're as I describe on my LinkedIn profile, a grizzled internet marketing veteran. But if you're just getting started or a newbie at this, it can be overwhelming. So much information on what to do, where to go, what change to make to your website if you're doing PPC, SEO, so on and so forth. So I thought this is a great resource for you, no matter what experience you have in internet marketing. It's the forum or resource that I'm talking about is on Moz.com. Now, most of you are familiar with Moz. It's kind of like an industry-leading resource for internet marketing, marketing in general. They have some great stuff on their website, some great tools that you can choose to invest in that'll give you some great metrics on your website. But in addition to those, this is a free tool that they provide. I think you just need to create a profile, and that's absolutely free. You can go to the website moz.com/community/Q. It's up on my screen here. And I've been actively in here for the last couple weeks answering questions, and they're fantastic questions. They range in a variety of SEO questions, the website questions. So whether you're a beginner or advanced internet marketing person, I encourage you to post or follow up to questions that are in here. It's a great exchange back and forth, and like I said, I've been adding my 2 cents in there, and have really been helping people. So it helps with the holiday season, and the spirit of giving is to give back to people who are in some tough positions or just are frustrated with things on their website. So I'm happy to help as always. So if you have any questions for me, you can certainly post them on the Moz Forum, or you can just email me, john@sixcitymarketing.com. And like I said, I just encourage you to check it out. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye.